Hello guys, welcome to my channel Case Tech, where we handle everything techie. Now for our video today, we're going to be aimed at mobile developers. Now for all mobile developers who monetize the applications with Google Admob, I know you would have all seen the message from Admob recently asking you to set up your App-Ads.Txt. And then being a new development, we realize a lot of developers will have issues understanding this instruction. And so in this video, we're going to walk you through how to set up your apps or your App-Ads.Txt. So come with us. Now the first thing you're supposed to do, you're expected to do, is to log into your Admob, your Google Admob account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. And then you go to view all apps, and that's it. Now, normally you'd have just apps, but you can see now we have App-Ads.Txt as well. Right now, when you click on these, you'd see your applications displayed down here. Now, as you can see, I have already set mine up, and that's why it's displaying green. Now, if you haven't set yours up, it'll be ash. If there's an issue, it'll be red. Okay. Now, Google went ahead to give you a little, or give us a little instruction as to how to do this, and that's where you have how to set up App-Ads.Txt for your apps. Now, the instructions are as follows. 1. If you haven't already, you should first of all create an App-Ads.Txt file using the spec provided by IAB Tech Lab, and copy and paste the following code snippet into your App-Ads.Txt file. This code, you're expected to copy this into your App-Ads.Txt file. Right, you don't have to do this, or you can do this, it still works, but you see they've provided you with a button. Just copy snippet. All right, now when you copy your snippet, what you're expected to do is to create a new file, a .txt file. All right, so we're going to go all the way to a desktop to do that. Just come with us. So you come to the desktop, and then as you can see, I have already created mine, but for purpose of knowledge and instruction, let's delete that. Just create a new, open a new txt file. All right, and you can call that App-Ads. All right, you don't have to add a txt because by default the extension is the txt. So you just do that, and then you open the file and paste what you have, the snippet you had copied earlier on, and then you save. Control S. All right, now to be sure, just to be sure, let's go back and see if it's well spelled. App-Ads, all right, App-Ads.Txt. So let's hope that's what we have. Save as, all right, App-Ads.Txt. All right, that's it. It's correct. We're correct. Okay, so we'll save. All right, we want to replace. Yes, we want to replace. Okay, now, so having done that, the next instruction is to publish your App-Ads.Txt on the root of your developer website. For example, sampledomain.com/App-Ads.Txt. Make sure the domain is entered exactly as listed on Google Play or the App Store. All right. Now, when you were uploading your application, when you were uploading your, when you were uploading your application into Google Play Console, you included a developer website. Now, for those who didn't do that, we're going to walk you through. A lot of persons think you can do that once you've uploaded, but no, you can actually do that with the new adjustments Google have introduced to the Play Console. So I'm going to walk you through that in the next video. But like we're saying, when you upload a video, you're expected to put or to fill in your developer website, right? So that website is what Google is going to search for this snippet, for this code you have copied here. So it is on the root of that website you're expected to upload your App-Ads.Txt file. All right. Now, when you have uploaded your App-Ads.Txt file into the root of your website, you should wait for 24 hours for Google or Admob to crawl and verify your App-Ads.Txt file. Then come back and check your App-Ads status. All right. Okay, so got it. Now, as you can see, mine has been verified, and that's why it's green. All right. So having created our App-Ads.Txt file, we're going to go straight to the root of our website, of our developer website, right? So that's mine. I have already logged in. You have your developer website. If you don't have, please go buy a domain, pay for hosting, and create a simple website so Google can use to verify your applications. All right. Now, having logged in, what you need to do is come to your file manager. It's going to open in a new tab, of course, by default. Then, when it opens, what you need to do next is to go to your public.html. All right, and then it opens. Now, as you can see, I have already done mine, and that's why it's like this. That's why you can find it here, App-Ads.Txt. All right. Now, if you haven't done this, if you haven't already done this, what you're supposed to do is to come down to Uploads and then select File. And when that opens, you go to your desktop where you saved the file. Remember, App-Ads.Txt, and then click to upload. All right, you just double click and it will upload. All right, but you see they're telling me the following file already exists on the 7th directory. Do you want to upload? No, I don't. But if you haven't done that, you would want to upload. Once you've done that, you've uploaded into that your public HTML folder. That's all you need to do. You just close and sign out, wait for 24 hours, and go back to your Admob to verify. I assure you, they would be okayed just as mine have been. All right, so that's it, guys. How to set up App-Ads.Txt on Admob. All right. Now remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Like I said, I promise to show you how to upload or add your developer URL to your already published apps. All right, if you haven't already done that. So watch out for our next video, and we're going to have that for you. All right, thank you.